blockbuster testimony is actually when my mom got into ICU last October 27, 2022. So nag-undergo po siya ng open heart surgery, valve replacement. So pinalitan po yung valvula ng heart niya. And imagine, 3 days after ICU, taking 1 bottle of Intra a day, she can take herself, kaya niya pumunta sa CR mag-isa, and kaya niya gawin yung mga necessary things for herself. 1 bottle of Intra a day. So 3 days after ICU, mama can assist herself going to and from the bathroom. Alam niyo po, yung recovery niya, na-gauge ng doctor na 3 months. Actually, na-done po yun in just 3 weeks. So, ganun po ka-amazing yung product. And another blockbuster testimony, so that was with my husband. Last year lang po ito. Siya po ay naka-experience ng brain aneurysm. Na-coma po siya. Actually po, kung hindi siya nagtitake ng product, hindi ko po alam ang kasunod. Kasi most people na naka-experience ng brain aneurysm, hindi lang po 24 hours na comatose. But for my husband, less than 10 hours, nagising din po ulit siya. And taking 1 bottle of Intra a day in just 3 weeks, back to field works po siya. So, ganun ka-amazing ang Lifestyle products. So, alam ko kanina sa pag-discuss ni NMD Wendet, na-explain properly at nang maliwanag kung ano yung benefit natin sa product. So by this time, sana po, naka-decide na kayo to take the products. And of course, I did the business because gusto ko pong matake religiously, continuously ng family yung Lifestyle products, and of course, to check on the opportunity.